close pin. On drives, they always go together. Now, we don't have the SATA 2 cables, but that's where it's like there's a 7-pin and an 8-pin connector. One's for power, one's for data. You just plug them together.
I thought the 15-pin was power and the 7 was data.
Oh, whatever. I don't know. It doesn't really matter because he's not going to ask you about that anyways. But you can't put it, they're L-shaped, so you can only put them in one way.
Okay.
So that's your data data ribbon. Go down onto the motherboard into these two slots here. Can't really see it. They're side by side. These two right here, and they're notched out. You can see the little notch.
Okay.
See this little notch right here?
Yeah.
You can always tell that on a half-decent cable. If you look at it, it'll be notched like that. So
Does
they
the
only
red
go.
have anything to do with it?
Yeah, they generally go red to left.
Oh, and what's the difference between this cable and this cable?
What?
This one's for floppy, isn't it?
No, they're both
standard.
hard
Yeah,
drive
but
cables.
in the book, there's a this one here is
There is a
the
difference.
40, and this is the 80. That has to do with how much data
Yeah.
they can carry. You can tell by looking at it. See how much thicker that one looks compared to that one. With all the
This
wires
pen,
in there?
this cable's for SATA 4 and higher. So
No.
5,
no
6,
ATA
and
higher.
ATA
No.
4, 5, and 6. It'll give you a 100.
133.
No, it gives you the 100 ATA 100 standard.
That cable was spec for UDMA like 66 and up. The extra pin or lines are in there to
ATA
reduce
100. It's
Yeah.
ATA 100, not 66. 66 is
UDMA
on
66.
this.
No, it's
UDMA is on this. 66 is on this. 100 and higher is on this.
I'm pretty sure that can take that was for 66 and up, and those ones were just the slower non UDMA standards.
But you just go by the UDMA number. All you have to remember is 4 and up and 4 and below. So there's UDMA 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then there's 5, 6, and 7. That's as high as UDMA.
And
went.
nothing's going to be below 5 now, anyways. Anything relative to new 4 to lowest, you're going to go.
All right, so that gets plugged in like that. This cable, they always keep on asking, what's the cable with the twist in it? This one right here. It twists the data on a floppy because of the way that it reads the actual data. It reads it in a reverse order to this. So when you reverse the data stream, then it goes right into the board using the same sort of connector, so they don't have to redo all that.
Oh, I didn't know that.